For this question, there's also a video for the question just prior to this one, which should also be helpful to you to understand where this comes from. If you watch this video and this doesn't make as much sense, but if there's 5,900 tires and exactly 280 are defective, what is the probability, if 4 tires are selected, what is the probability that they are all good? Alright, so the good tires is 5,900 minus 280. Alright, so that should be 5,620. So 5,620 tires are good. So 5,620 divided by 5,900 will give us the probability of getting a good tire out of this batch. Alright, so let's take 5,620 divided by 5,900 and we get 0.953. Alright, that's the chance of getting one tire good. So you have a 95% chance that one of these tires is good. Alright, but we're going to pull 4 tires to put on insulation on a car. What's the probability that they are all good? So if we want to pull 4 tires in a row, we take this probability, 0.953, and we raise it to the 4 power. Alright, so I'm going to go use my calculator over here. Because it had more decimals, it's probably more accurate to use all the decimals instead of the truncated number. Alright, so we're going to do, and my calculator is here on the computer has X, Y, some have a caret symbol, the little hat, the character that's above a 6 on a keyboard. They have various things, but anyway, you hit X, Y, and then do 4. So that multiplies 0.953 times itself 4 times. And so in that case you get that the probability of getting 4 tires, good tires, is 0.823. Sorry, 823. And then that's where that answer there comes from. Alright, now probability of getting 100 tires in is going to be to take this 0.953 and we're going to raise it to the 100 power. Alright, so let's go back and take that same fraction. I'm going to go back and redo my fraction again. 5,620 divided by 5,900, and I'm going to do XY now 100. Alright, so for this decimal we get a much smaller decimal. To 3 decimal places it's 0.00, and the 7 after the 7 rounds that up to 0.008. Alright, so that's how we get 0.008. Which means that as a percentage wise, that's what question C is going to get at here. This is the same as 0.8%. Alright. So, should this outlet plan to deal with the defective tires returned by customers? Absolutely, because if they install 100 tires, they should say yes, because there is a very small chance that all 100 tires are good. 0.8% in fact is the chance that you will get 100 tires in a row pulled off the shelf that are actually all good. Alright, so that's why we say answer choice C for this, because this probability here is so very small that's going to occur. So again, review this video, but also there's another video for section 4.4, and it was question number 9. This is question 10 on your homework from 4.4. Also check question 9. There's a video for that one, and it works very similarly and has a little bit more backstory as to why we do these exponents and why we do some of these things that we've done here. Okay? Hopefully that helps.